What's up, my Pugnios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys this content. This is an awesome, really slim, magnetic MagSafe case here that has a kickstand for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. There's a great way here to be able to still utilize the MagSafe and magnetic capability, but having a really sleek, slim profile that provides scratch resistance. I like the kickstand case because you can have it upright. You can go ahead and watch your shows while still being able to have a really cool, sleek look. With that said, the folks at Torras did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out, guys. It does help out the channel. Let's jump into this unboxing. Unboxing is super straightforward here. I like how Torras is carbon neutral, so all the materials here is made out of recycled material. Cases itself is partially recycled material too. That is just super sleek in the hand. It's so light. The thickness is under a millimeter, which is amazing, and it's just super sleek and super low profile. I really like how they have this extra little protector here for not only the camera, but this also can act as a desk buddy kickstand, which is really, really cool. You can see that the buttons here are made out of nice hardened material. They have a button here for the action button as well as the cutouts here for the bottom. This is just so light, but I really like how they have the extra Mega Mag, which is going to provide you the ability to use MagSafe. Coming up close here, we're going to go ahead and place it into the case itself. Pretty straightforward and nice and slick. I really like the juxtaposition here of the phone case with the white titanium. I really like that a lot. The buttons are nice and clicky here. As you can see, they go ahead and they are nice and shiny and they fit just nice. What I like here is the ability to have this camera bump be a little stand, which is really nice. As you can see, you can go ahead and set it up here for TikTok if you want, or if you want to just go ahead and leave it as is, you have it where it's at. As you can see here, it's a really slim profile. I really like how nice and clean that looks. You do have a bezel here on the front. It does just barely grab on that face there. It still allows you the opportunity to have a screen protector, which is cool, without adding extra weight or extra thickness here. As you can see, it's a really, really thin, slim bezel. And the best part about it is still having the option here for MagSafe compatibility. I've got a Benks 5,000 milliamp battery here. You can go ahead and press the power button. It'll start charging here, which is really, really nice. It outputs 5 watts, so it is a little bit slower, but it's nice to have in a pinch. It's really robust and magnetic, which is nice there as well. If you wanted to have something that was, on your desk as a desk buddy here, you can go ahead and slap it here on the side. Starts charging there. You can go ahead and put your Apple Watch if you wanted as well. That's definitely an option. Or lastly here, this is what I use for content creation. If you wanted to have a shutter button here, you can throw on the SnapGrip from ShiftCam. It's got a 5,000 milliamp battery as well. It'll start charging here. You can go ahead and operate the shutter with the shutter button, which is cool. You also have this light here if it's something you're interested in, but having this really robust mount here, tripod mount here, as well as a grip is really cool to have, especially for this really thin case. It's nice to have. I like that. With that said, my Pugnios, I think this is a no-brainer here. Having something like this in your hand is really, really cool. It's really simple and sleek, and it's really, really reasonably priced here. I love the kickstand here, having the ability to be able to watch your shows, whether it's on YouTube or TikTok. You can even do, the shorts or the reels there for Instagram. It's all available there. With that said, thanks so much for watching. Sponsored video from the folks at Torras. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.